Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs and rice easy guide. Heat a non-stick pan, add oil, scramble eggs until soft, set aside, then rinse rice and start cooking in a pot with the proper water ratio. Simmer gently, cover, fluff with a fork when done, and combine eggs with rice for a quick, satisfying meal you can customize. Enjoy immediately and season to taste. Perfect for busy mornings. For tender scrambled eggs, whisk well and cook over medium heat while stirring gently to form soft curds. Use a non-stick skillet and moderate heat so eggs set slowly and stay moist. Finish with a small pat of butter or a splash of milk for extra richness. Transfer eggs to a plate before rice finishes so they do not overcook. Combine just before serving to keep textures bright and distinct. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring a little fun to the kitchen with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here for timers and background tunes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like it. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Rinse rice well and use the correct water ratio for the variety you choose, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cover with a tight lid and cook without lifting to trap steam and ensure even texture. Once cooked, let rice rest for 5 to 10 minutes off heat to finish steaming. Fluff with a fork before serving so grains separate. Mixing warm rice with eggs gives the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.